Hey there, friends. Are you looking for the ultimate upgrade for your car's multimedia system? Look no further, because I've got just a thing for you. Introducing the 2-DIN Android 7 910 13-inch car multimedia video player 2DIN stereo radio GPS for Tesla-style Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Honda. This incredible device is packed with features that will take your driving experience to the next level. First of all, let's talk about the size options. You can choose from 7, 9, 10, or even 13-inch screens, so you can find the perfect fit for your car's dashboard. The fully upgraded 13-inch Tesla-style large screen features a 2K QLED 1920x1200 high-definition resolution, giving you crystal clear visuals and an immersive viewing experience. But that's just the beginning. This multimedia player comes with a bunch of amazing features, such as an Ultra HD digital screen, full capacitive touch, smart split screen, and support for USB external DVR ADAS, so you can stay connected and entertained on the road. Not to mention, it's got a built-in GPS, Bluetooth connectivity, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it super easy to navigate, make hands-free calls, and access your favorite apps and music. And the best part? It's super easy to install and comes with all the necessary cables and accessories, so you can start enjoying all these features right away. So why wait? Take your driving experience to the next level with the 2-DIN Android 7 910 13-inch car multimedia video player 2DIN stereo radio GPS for Tesla-style Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Honda. Click the link in the description below to get yours today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome car tech reviews and recommendations. Happy driving!